YouTube, it's Corey here. This is my Fit vh1. Here you go. Here are my Sunday grips, yellow. Yeah, I don't know what kind they're called, but they're really good grips we thought up so far. Here's the left. Here's my Fit handlebars. Here's my Tech brake clamp. There's my Fit wheels, Fit rim, Fit pedals, of course, Fit back rim, and Odyssey tire. There's the Fit. You see here, I don't have a seat right now because my seat post got stuck down in the frame. If you have any tips of how to get that out, it'd be helpful. So please message me back, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll have some BMX edits of the skate park later on today or tomorrow, so just subscribe, comment, and like.